Problem 22. Points A, B, C, and D are midpoints on the sides of square JETS. If the area of this square is 48, what is the area of A, B, C, D? Well, the area is the side squared, so one side length has to be the square root of 48, and 48 divided by 2, 24, divided by 2, 12, divided by 2, 6, divided by 2, 3, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, equals the square root of 16 times 3 equals 4 times the square root of 3. Each side length is 4 times the square root of 3. If that's true, then this is equal to this, and each one of these is 2 times the square root of 3, because it's half of the whole side length. So this is 2 times so this side length is 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 2, because we have an isosceles right triangle. So my side length for ABCD is 2 times the square root of 6. And so the area of ABCD is equal to 2 times the square root of 6 squared. 2 squared is 4. The square root of 6 squared is 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. And that is the area of ABCD. If a quadrilateral must be a parallelogram if one pair of opposite sides is parallel and congruent. The perimeter of a rhombus is 60. When we have a rhombus, we know we have 4 equal sides, so each side length is 15. The longer diagonal measures 20. What is the shorter diagonal? We know the diagonals bisect each other. So we have a right triangle with hypotenuse 15 and a long side of 10. So we're looking for the shorter diagonal. I will call this piece X. $225 is equal to 100 plus X squared. 15 squared is 225. We're using Pythagorean theorem here. 10 squared is 100. So the square root of 125 is roughly 11.2. It's 11.18. If I multiply that times 2, the shorter diagonal should be less than the longer diagonal, but I'm getting 22.4, so there could be something weird about this problem, or maybe I'm just making a mistake. Problem 26, CAB is 25. Find the measure of CDA. If this is 25, this is 25, this is 25, this is 25. CDA is 130 degrees because we have an isosceles triangle. 27, if we have a rhombus with diagonals FH and GK, and GK has a slope of 5/6, the line containing FH is the negative reciprocal, negative 6/5. That's the slope of the line for FH. It's cold, it's late. Try the last 3 problems on your own. Good luck on your test. Do the missing notes out of your textbook and learn those theorems because you're going to need them on the test. Good luck.